Welcome back to AI Brief. We're diving deep into the latest AI happenings in episode 54. I'm Amin.
I'm Maya.
Today we're covering Elon Musk's new AI chatbot, Germany's AI situation, and the UK copyright debate, plus a quick look at what's happening around the globe in AI.
Sounds good.
So first up, Elon Musk and his company XAI. They're getting ready to launch their new chatbot, Grok 3, and it's causing a lot of buzz.
Yeah.
They're even planning a live demo for the launch.
Yeah.
Pretty bold move. Why is this launch so significant?
Well, Musk is taking on ChatGPT directly. That's the biggest name in AI chatbots right now. And XAI is reportedly trying to raise $10 billion in funding.
$10 billion.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big statement.
It is. It shows they're serious.
Yeah.
Especially when you consider Musk was one of the founders of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT.
Oh, right.
And he's been pretty vocal about his disagreements with OpenAI's direction. He even offered almost $100 billion to buy back OpenAI's nonprofit arm.
Sounds like he's really determined to shape the future of AI. Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk about Germany. They're in a very interesting situation. They're leaders in AI research, but they're having trouble turning that research into successful businesses.
Right.
It's like they have all this potential, but aren't sure how to unlock it. Can you give us an example?
Sure. Take Aleph Alpha. It's a German AI company. They started out trying to build large-scale AI models, kind of like OpenAI and Google are doing. But they've had to shift their focus to smaller niche applications because competing with those giants head-on is proving really difficult.
I see. So they're finding their own path.
They are.
And on top of that, Germany is losing some of its best AI talent to the U.S. Better funding and job opportunities over there. This brain drain could really hurt their chances of staying competitive in AI.
Yeah, it raises a bigger question. How can countries like Germany, with great research, bridge the gap between innovation and making money from it?
Right. If they don't solve that, they risk falling behind. Okay, let's move on to the UK. They're having a tough time figuring out how copyright law applies to AI. Specifically, how AI models are trained using copyrighted material.
Right. They're actually considering changing the law to allow AI developers to use this material without needing permission unless the copyright holder opts out.
So basically giving AI developers more freedom unless someone specifically says no.
Yeah.
But it's definitely controversial. Over 3,000 artists have protested against the proposed change. They're worried about their work being exploited.
It's definitely a complex issue. On one hand, you have the need for AI to access data to advance. On the other hand, you have the rights of creators who are concerned about their work and their livelihood.
It raises a crucial question. How do we encourage AI innovation while protecting the people who create original content?
Absolutely. It's a balance that's becoming more and more important as AI develops.
Okay, let's take a quick trip around the globe for a rapid-fire roundup of other notable AI developments. Are you ready for the whirlwind tour?
I'm ready.
First up, the U.S. former President Trump's policies, specifically the ones related to chip production and potential changes to the CHIPS Act, are raising concerns about their impact on U.S. AI development.
Right.
Some experts are worried that these policies could actually slow down AI progress in the U.S. And threaten their position as a leader in AI research.
I see.
Okay, next up, we have India and the U.S. They've agreed to work together on AI development.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. And Google is setting up a new AI hub in Poland.
Oh, interesting.
It'll be focusing on creating AI applications for the energy and cybersecurity sectors.
Okay.
Over in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Aramco's venture capital arm has invested in an AI cloud startup. Shows growing interest in AI in the Middle East.
That's great.
And back in Asia, Tencent is beta testing DeepSeek's AI model in its WeChat messaging app.
Interesting.
And then we have Baidu getting ready to launch its next generation AI model, Ernie 5. This one will have multimodal capabilities, meaning it can process and convert between different types of data like text, video, images, audio. Big step forward.
Definitely.
And finally, Apple. They're planning a software upgrade for their Vision Pro headset, which will introduce a bunch of AI-powered tools.
Like what?
Things like writing tools, Genmojis, and the Image Playground app. Looks like Apple is really betting on AI to make its devices even more user-friendly.
It seems like everyone is.
Yeah, they are. Now, before we move on, I want to highlight some cutting-edge AI tools that have really caught our eye. These are tools that show you the many different ways AI is being used to solve problems, increase productivity, and even spark creativity.
Sounds good.
So first up, there's GPTbots.ai. This is a platform that lets businesses create AI-powered bots without needing to code.
cool.
It's designed to help businesses automate tasks and become more efficient, especially in things like marketing, customer service, and data analysis.
Okay.
Next, we have Rely.io. This is a tool that helps engineering teams manage their software development process better. It provides this central hub where teams can track everything related to their software projects. And it uses AI to automate tasks and provide insights to make things run smoother.
Sounds useful.
Yeah, it does. If you ever need to improve the quality of your images, check out upscale.media.
What's that?
It's a free tool that uses AI to increase the resolution of your images without making them blurry.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And for developers, there's CodeSphere. This is a cloud-based platform that makes it easier to deploy and manage your code.
I see.
It's great for both beginners and experienced developers because it takes away a lot of that complexity involved in setting up and running your software in the cloud.
That's helpful.
It is. Now, if you're a movie buff, you'll love this one. Keytalk.ai.
What is it?
It's an AI-powered movie search engine that helps you find those hidden gems, movies you might have missed otherwise.
Cool.
It uses this really unique recommendation system that gives every movie a fair chance of being discovered.
So it's not just showing you the same blockbusters over and over.
Right, exactly. Then for anyone in the B2B world, there's Venturify.ai. This platform uses AI to create a public database of verified relationships between businesses.
Oh, interesting.
So it's basically like a LinkedIn for companies.
Yeah.
You can see who's connected to whom, which is super helpful for finding potential partners, understanding your competitors, and just getting a better grasp of the overall B2B landscape.
Okay.
If you're into blockchain technology, check out ChainGPT.
What's that?
It's an AI tool that helps with all sorts of blockchain-related tasks like writing smart contracts to analyzing data and even debugging code.
Okay.
And finally, we have Ioni. This is an AI platform that's really changing the way businesses handle compliance.
Oh, cool.
It automates lots of those tedious tasks involved in compliance, like analyzing regulations, drafting policies, and creating contracts.
So it streamlines the whole process.
Exactly. Businesses can focus more on what they do best. It's amazing to see all these different applications for AI. Really just shows how much potential this technology has.
It really does. And it's constantly evolving. There's always something new to learn about.
Absolutely. Well, that's about all the time we have for this deep dive into the world of AI. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Be sure to follow AI Brief for more insights into this exciting and rapidly changing world. And don't forget to share the show with anyone who might be interested. Until next time, stay curious.